How to get started with mdhub. So you get 30 free sessions and no credit card down. It takes about 30 seconds to get started. And when you get to our landing page, you simply click Start Saving Time. It navigates you over to our sign-in page. When you get on our sign-up page, you can either sign in with Google, Microsoft, or choose to create your own account. You sign in, you'll be briefly walked through a short tutorial on how to use mdhub and also our security and data privacy. And next, you can either create a new test patient, or for this example, I'm going to skip and show you how to get started by adding a patient. After you've created your patient profile, you just simply click Create and Continue. In the top right-hand corner, you'll find three functionalities. You can choose to create questionnaires, like intake questionnaires, where you can send to new patients. You can also import history if you're inheriting patients and you have more than a few pages to look over. I really suggest this. And also you have the start recording functionality where you're immediately able to start recording your encounter with three different options: without headphones, with headphones, or you can choose to upload a file at a later time. Side note here, we also offer this same platform on iOS app and on Android as well. So that one might be a better option for those who are on the field or who are seeing multiple patients back to back without a laptop or a device on hand. Now, as soon as you begin recording, you also have the option to choose whichever template that you are interested in recording with. So you can, it's a drop-down menu you can choose from, or you can build out your own templates. It's completely customizable and personalized. And in the additional notes section, you can add any kind of subjective information or even your MSE, and those will all get pulled directly into your clinical note. After you're done recording, you just simply click Finish Recording. Once you finish recording, in a matter of a few seconds, you will see a complete note that's generated on the right-hand side. This is an example from a 34-minute encounter, which you'll see the transcript on the left-hand side and the notes supporting the transcript on the right-hand side. This is a true, thorough clinical note with a detailed HPI and multiple histories that have been recognized, as well as a full MSE, ANP, and psychotherapeutic interventions. This note is a bit detailed, so it really depends on what you're looking for. You have various different notes and various different functionalities you can choose. Additionally, we also have an extra functionality for your patients where you're able to generate a summary of the encounter that you just had with your patient. You're fully able to modify this as well and send this over using our secure send option to your patient directly. Stay tuned for more feature videos where I discuss features like the community feature, the template features, where you can modify and personalize your templates, as well as our questionnaire section as